Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So I'm back with another Git tutorial, that is Git Fetch. So what is the use of Git Fetch command is that it will tell your local repository that there are changes available in your remote repository. It will not change any file or anything in your local repository. It will just give you the information about the changes. So I'm having this Git tutorial repo in my Git, and you can see I'm having three branches there: master, task, and tutorial. So right now my local and remote changes both are same. So let me create a new branch in my remote. So I'm going to create my new branch, let's say name new tutorial, and create this branch. So now in our remote we are having a new branch, but in my local there is no such branch with the name new tutorial. So let me show you documentation. In documentation you can see it says download objects and refs from another repo. And syntax you can see a git fetch, and you can use options with that. Now let me show you my local repo. So now let me run command git branch, that will show me my local branches. So you can see I'm having three branches: master, task, and tutorial. So now I need to get the reference of my remote repo, as there is a new branch there and that branch is not reflected in my local. So I need to get the reference. So I'm going to write command git fetch all, and you can see the output is giving. It says that there is a new branch, that is new tutorial, on my repo, that is remote repo, and here that is not there. So it's giving the changes to my remote repo. So now let me write git branch, and you can see I'm only having three branches here. So it's not copying the branch to my local, is just giving the reference, it's just giving the information about the remote changes. So let me show you by creating one file as well. So let's say in master branch I'm going to create one file, let's say master.php, and just write hello inside it and commit. Now let me just fetch all again, and now you can see it's giving some output. So now you can see it's giving me the information about the commit, that there is a new commit in my master branch that is not there in my local branch. So it's giving me commit ID as well in output. So in this video I have shown you git fetch, how you can fetch branch or remote branch changes to your local. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt related to this topic, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.